Hi guys, it's Courtney. Stay tuned to hear about how you can overcome road bumps to help grow your channel. Hey, welcome back. If you're new here, we talk about YouTube and what you can do to help grow your channel. And today I'm going to be talking about some road bumps that I think I've hit and work on, and I think a lot of other people do too. And so let's get right into it. So the first road bump people come across, and I know I have, is not getting suggested by YouTube. And that could be for a variety of reasons. YouTube really does want to pair the right viewer to your video, but there's so many millions of bytes of information that's going in there that sometimes it just doesn't always take place the way you would want it to. One thing I think to do to help that is to consider how long your videos are. And so I'm not saying make a video that people are going to tune out. In other words, if you make a long video that's not getting the point across or overdoing it, I don't think that's good either. But if you make a 4-minute video and get 50% watch time, that's 2 minutes. Versus say making a 20-minute video getting 50% watch time, and that's 10 minutes. And so YouTube wants people to stay on the platform. And so the longer watch time you get, the more likely you're going to be suggested on YouTube. So we talked about not getting suggested, but what if you're not getting clicked on in the first place? So that has to do with your thumbnails and your title. You want to take a look at that thumbnail. Is it clear? What kind of font are you using? Is it enhancing the title? All those things play a part. What you could also do is test your thumbnails and see, pit one against the other and see if one thumbnail is doing better, what is it about that thumbnail that people are intrigued by? Was it something that you wrote? Was it the colors? Were you in the picture? All those things can play a part in people clicking on your video in the first place. The next issue is that some people feel like viewers just turn off too soon. And that could actually be something that you're doing in your video, not realizing it, by using terms like thanks for watching or okay now. There are certain cues that give a viewer the idea that your video is ending and you don't even realize it, and you will see in audience retention that those people are tuning out, turning off right away. And so that's definitely something to look at as well. Another road bump people talk about is getting the viewer to become a sub. And so that can be one of the hardest things, I think. It does take, I believe, a viewer to see you several times before they decide to sub. Does it happen where someone sees a video right away and subs? Yes, it does happen. But in general, people would want to see your videos usually a couple of times. Think about it. How do you sub to people? Let me know in the comments below. Do you watch a video once and then you like it and you sub? Or do you see that person a couple of times and say, oh, that's interesting. I've watched him or her a few times. I'm going to sub. The other thing that you can do is remind people to sub and say, you know, hey, sub to my channel, and also let them know what they're going to get if they do. And the last thing I would say is that you will see a number of YouTubers talk about burnout, and I think to avoid burnout, one of the things that you can do is really think about your why. And so whatever that is, it could be to entertain, it could be to educate, it could be to call attention to a cause. Whatever it is, have your why, because if you have that, then the numbers aren't going to mean as much. You're going to keep wanting to upload because it means something to you. I hope that helps you guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you get the next video that comes out, and I'll see you soon.